Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo or active photo on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then swipe here like this and enable active photo here, so you can set it. You can just enable it or you can set it automatic. So let's enable it and try to take some active photo. So here we go. Okay, so I have enough of active photos now. So the active photo works the way that when you open it in gallery, it looks like just a normal still picture, but when you hold down your finger on it, it moves. Wow, unbelievable, what's going on? How is this possible? It's a photo, it can't move. So yeah, that is what moving pictures are about. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.